Okay, so we're standing in Fitworkz today. This is another great tool, tip, trick for helping with hip mobility, some of the low back issues and imbalances we see all the time. Dylan's actually holding just a regular lacrosse ball. This could be done with a tennis ball, a racket ball if you're looking for something a little softer, more forgiving, or even a league ball or a girl's softball, which is gonna be less forgiving, different diameter. Just using the ball, and then you can actually use the ball for self-trigger point therapy on the muscles of the posterior chain. So through the glutes, along your tailbone, into the top of the hamstrings. And again, this is a great almost deep tissue massage that you can do at home, you can do in the gym. We have a lot of clients and members that just buy a lacrosse ball, throw it in their gym bag, leave it there. We have one if members need it, they want to ask for it, we'll let them borrow it. But again, you can go ahead and just use a lacrosse ball, tennis ball, racket ball, or even a league ball, and you can kind of do your own deep tissue massage. You can do it at home. Make sure you're doing it on the floor. Don't lean on a wall that's made of drywall. If you push hard enough, it will dent and mark the drywall, but all you need is a ball and a hard surface, like this is carpet over concrete in our club. Portable, go anywhere, deep tissue massage.